Hi everyone, welcome to Petals to Potatoes. First of all, I want to thank you for all the love and support that you are showing us through likes, comments, and especially those messages in which some of you are sending me their garden updates and some of you are asking me questions. Sometimes these questions are giving us ideas to choose the topic for our next videos. So thank you so much for that. Keep them coming. So getting into today's topic, I'm working on these. That's marigold, sweet basil, and hot pepper. I have grown these from seeds and these are growing indoor for about 7 to 8 weeks, and today I am going to plant them in raised beds. Although I am planting them in raised beds, you can follow the same process to plant them in containers also. Raised beds are nothing but huge containers. If you have seen our vegetable garden tour from last summer, I had planted marigold in this area. This year also I am using same area for marigold, but I am using white variety. If you see, the soil is also old. I try to reuse soil as much as possible, but when reusing I try to top it up with some nutrients. Sometimes I use homemade compost, sometimes I use fresh topping soil, or sometimes I also use organic fertilizers. Today I am using fresh soil. If you are also reusing the soil, just make sure it is not infected with bugs or fungus. So I am going to make a small hole in the soil. Now I'll gently remove the plant from original pot and plant that in the soil. Most of the plants need to be planted at same level as they were in their previous pots, except for some plants like tomatoes where they can be planted little deeper also. Now I'm going to water them. Although I have a drip setup here, I'm still going to water them for initial few days using hose until the roots are established properly in the soil. I'm going to follow exactly same process to plant pepper and basil also. Next, one of the very important steps, like I said before, I have these growing indoor for 7 to 8 weeks and now I'm moving them outside. It's summer, it's getting pretty hot in the day and sometimes in the night it's getting cold also. So these plants won't be able to take that temperature shift. So for that I'm going to give them a slight protection. For that I'm using this plastic storage box that I already have, and all I'm going to do is just cover them with this. So for first couple of days I'm going to keep this cover all the time on them, and then later slowly I'm going to start removing this cover for some time of the day, and eventually I'll remove it completely. This will give these plants some time to catch up with this change of temperature. This process is called hardening off. You can also do this by changing their locations. So initially you can keep them in an area where it is sun and wind protected, and later move them to an area where it gets slightly more sun, and then eventually move them to their permanent locations. So that's all for this video. I hope you got some tips to move your seedlings from indoor to their permanent locations. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.